Hey guys, what's up? A little update about the Tucson. I think you see we installed the OBD, then I installed the cam gear sensor. Yeah, so I installed the cam gear sensor. I just come from getting a haircut. So I installed the cam gear sensor, and the next day I drove it. I drove it the same day. It was alright. It wasn't practically the same. Nothing that was feel like it was changed. So the next morning, to drop my son at school, it started to cut out every 4 seconds. So I started and it would cut out, started again, it would cut out. So it would idle for 4 seconds and then it would cut out. So I tried to give it some revs, to see if it was a cold start or something was going on with it. So yeah, tried. They're just driving like crap. There's no power. It's cutting off all the time. They're just crap. Just driving like crap. So I drove maybe a half an hour to drop him to school, and then all the power and everything else came back in. It's this is weird. Maybe it's a cold start. So came home, leave it again till I have to go to work. It was alright. The next day, started to do it again. So I decided to plug out the cam gear sensor. Plug out the cam gear sensor, and the Jeep started to act normal. Because before, the Jeep was never moving normal when we got it. True, it had a fuel leak. I told you guys in the last video, it had a fuel leak from the injectors. So what me and my brother did, we put some silicone with the rubbers, switch the rubbers around, from the big to the small, and switch them to the top, put the big ones to the top, and put some silicone, covering them around to the end, to the intake. So yeah, that's how it works, and that's how it's working now. So after I plug out the cam gear sensor, it started to work back normal. So I guess the cam gear sensor is reading bad. Started making this video so long, but I had to give you guys an update. So yeah.
Yo, soldier, 410. Yeah, GYG, bloody side center thugs. 410 forever. 410 forever. 410 forever. Yeah, 410 forever. 410 forever. Yeah, 410 forever. Yeah. Okay. 410 forever. Yeah. 410 forever. Yeah. 410 forever. Yeah. Yeah. 410 forever. Yeah. 410 forever. Yeah. 410 forever. Yeah. Click, clack, wax, that 60 under, and that's the fact. Get it mixed up. And stick inside the dick. Why you for the shit?
As you can see in the last one,
Yo, let's see my gun fucking up.
every year I do it,
Let me understand my friend. Okay, I shoot you in your chest. I shoot you in your shoulder. Yeah, Joker's a bad man with bad. Listen, man, I shoot you till you handicap. When it comes to a real 410 nigga, ain't nothing that I lack. Tell me who wanna fuck with us? Ashes with ashes, dust with dust. I beg as your brains hang. Okay, when it comes to a real edge, you know it's me. So when you mess with me, just remember that I'm with a real edge. Oh shit. 410 forever. 410 forever. Okay. 410 forever. Okay. 410 forever. Okay. 410 forever. Trip. 410 forever. Yeah. 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 You wanna know why I say these things? I don't know this I look in my life. So you're telling me, and I can't go. That ain't right. Okay. I just wanna see all of these answers. On my side. Okay. And the same soldier. And soldier got gold. In my tool. Get off the phone. Show. Got my 9 millimeter.
Open the hardware shop. Got us a light, boys. You know, we out here working late at night, so it's dark.
And instead of having my battery on my phone dying all the time, it's by electric.
I can't hear you, nigga. What? We are. Okay. XP. What? I can't hear you.
Yes, it is moving today.
Off the road. Off the road. Where is it? So we got it down on the other side of the road. Let me lose it. We get some carrot. Chill it a little bit. Leave it grow up. We're gonna leave it build some air, you know?
We fuck around with this man up there, don't we? Don't fall long and drop on me, no. Don't fall and drop on me, eh? Drop on your own head.
Damn pulley giving us blows. They just do not want to come off. Jeez Louise. The surrender. Alright, on to the next one. It here. Got the transmission of the accent.
Alright, so the project for this right here is to get off this pulley. This is his father on. We're just trying to do this here. Just a small blog about it. Nothing serious. We just finished a bus there, tightening up the belts and thing on the bus. Then a blog there, one of these Hyundai stuff. We just get an accent. This thing is smoking like a chimney. Jeez. So you gotta put this on some jack stand. Take down the transmission. Yes.